The condenser is an equipment which collects the exhaust of the turbine by cooling and condensing it into water. When the seawater goes into the water box through the pipe, the cooling water flows to the tube and the exhaust gas of the LP turbine or the steam from the bypass system flow to the shell. When the temperature of the steam drops by the cooling water, the pressure drops until the saturation pressure, which is about the same amount of the cooling water's temperature, and at the same time, it will be saved at the hot well after being transferred into condensed water when losing latent heat. Condenser is equipped with condenser tube cleaning system. It uses thousands of ball-shaped sponge which sent to condenser tube through condenser inlet pipe, tube condenser and condenser outlet pipe. The balls which are in the condenser clean the floating particles inside the tube by following along the cooling water. These balls are filtered by the ball strainer, which located in condenser outlet pipe, then they are collected in the condenser tube ball collector.